In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send personalized emails with Zapier. By the end, you'll have an automation that pulls details like a recipient's name or product interest and sends a tailored message without manual effort. First, decide where your recipient information lives. This data source is the trigger for your Zap. It could be a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, an Airtable base, a form tool like Typeform, or a CRM such as HubSpot. Before you go any further, make sure your data is clean and structured. Give each piece of information its own field. First name, email address, company, product name, whatever you plan to reference. Consistent headers and no mixed data in a single column will make mapping effortless later on. Next, create a new Zap. Log into Zapier and click Create Zap. Choose your data source as the trigger app, then select the event that represents a new entry, such as new spreadsheet row, new form submission, or new contact. Connect your account and run the trigger test. You should see sample data come through, which confirms Zapier can read your source correctly. If you don't, revisit your permissions and verify the data is in the right place, like the correct worksheet or view. Now add the email action. Click the plus sign to add an action step and pick your email tool: Gmail, Outlook, or Email by Zapier. Choose the action event, typically send email or send outbound email. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, connect that account so the emails come from your address. If you choose Email by Zapier, there's no extra account to connect, but your messages will send from a zapiermail.com address and are subject to daily and hourly limits. This is where personalization shines. In the To field, map the email address from your trigger data so each message goes to the correct recipient. In the subject line, type your headline and insert dynamic fields where needed, like adding someone's first name. Do the same in the body. Write your message and drop in variables for details such as name, company, or product. If your source includes image links or files, you can insert those, and for more advanced layouts, paste an HTML template and place your variables within the code. Finally, test and publish. Send a test email using real sample data and check for formatting, correct names, and any missing values. When everything looks right, publish your Zap. From now on, every new entry in your data source will trigger a personalized email automatically.